Hello everyone and welcome to the Machine Learning Classification Bootcamp in Python. There are tons of machine learning courses out there that cover the underlying theory, but they do not get any deeper into the practical applications. This course is not one of them. Are you ready to learn machine learning classification fundamentals and directly apply them to real-life applications? Then welcome to the Machine Learning Classification Bootcamp in Python, in which you're going to learn everything you need to develop practical, real-world classification models in Python. I'm Ran Ahmed. I'm a professor and best-selling Udemy instructor. I hold a doctorate degree in engineering with focus on electric vehicle controls and a master's degree with focus on artificial intelligence. I have taught over 22,000 students from over 150 countries. My teaching style is to make complex simple. I generally teach students in a practical, simple, easy, and fun way. I'm super passionate about data science and artificial intelligence, and I firmly believe that AI will be powering all aspects of our life in the near future. In fact, we're seeing it happening today with self-driving cars, speech and face recognition, in the gaming industry, and even in healthcare applications, such as cancer and diabetes detection. So why study machine learning? There are 3 reasons you should study machine learning right now. Number 1, job availability. Machine learning is one of the hottest skills to acquire this year. The total number of machine learning jobs over the past 2 years has grown around 600%, and it's expected to grow even more by 2020. Several top companies are hiring skilled machine learning engineers, as AI and machine learning gradually become the brain behind any business intelligence. Reason number 2, easy to learn. We are going to use Python to develop all our machine learning models. Python is the #1 programming language for machine learning and artificial intelligence, and it's the easiest programming language to learn. Reason number 3, high salary. Average salary for machine learning engineers in the US is around $114,000 a year, which is way above the average salaries in the US. This course is unique in many ways. First, we are going to cover the intuition and theory behind several state-of-the-art machine learning classification models, such as logistic regression, decision trees, random forest, naive Bayes, and support vector machines. We will introduce the theory and intuition without any intimidating mathematics behind it. Second, this course will not only teach you the theory behind these machine learning algorithms, we will teach you how to effectively apply these algorithms using famous packages such as scikit-learn. Third, there are tons of mini challenges in almost every video, and you will learn by doing, so you will learn in a practical, easy, and fun way. Fourth, the project-based learning approach. We will build 10 practical projects together. You can add these projects to your portfolio of projects to showcase your future employer during job interviews. In this course, we are going to provide students with knowledge of key aspects of state-of-the-art classification techniques. We are going to build several projects from scratch using real-world dataset. Here is a sample of the projects we're going to be working on. Build an SMS spam classifier. Perform sentiment analysis and analyze customer reviews for Amazon Alexa products such as Echo product. Predict the survival rate of the Titanic based on the passenger features. Predict customer behavior towards targeted marketing ads on Facebook. Predict bank clients' eligibility to retire, given their features such as age and their 401k savings. Predict cancer and kyphosis disease. Detect fraud in credit card transactions, and many more. So who is this course for? This course is targeted towards students wanting to gain a fundamental understanding of machine learning classifiers. The ideal students for this course has some background in programming and computer science algorithms, but we assume you are a beginner in machine learning. The course has no prerequisites and is open to any student with basic programming knowledge. We will have a clear video explanation for each of the topics we'll be covering. We will start from the basics and gradually build up your knowledge. In this course, you will have a true practical project-based learning experience. We will build 10 projects together. You will have access to all Jupyter notebooks and slides. You will get a certificate of completion that you can post on your LinkedIn profile to showcase your skills in machine learning to future employers. All of this comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee so you can give a course a try risk-free. Check out the preview videos and the outline to get an idea of what projects we'll be covering. Enroll today, and I look forward to seeing you inside.